students, you are most welcome to the language class. Before starting the chapter, I want to say you something that on Wednesday we have a live session on Zoom Cloud app. That is, we will see each other. We will see you and you will see me, and this way we will do the conversation class. For this, you have to download the Zoom app. Instructions are given in the parents group. Please see once and download the Zoom app and join on Wednesday. Your time is from 10 to 10:45. Okay, so this is about the Zoom classes. On Wednesday you have the class, so before starting the class you have to be alert. You have to, and I will give them more information over there. Now I am starting the chapter 12, simple present and simple past. Okay, so here is a paragraph. I am reading it for you. Astronauts are space travelers. They go to space in spacecrafts. Sometimes they travel to the moon. Sometimes they move around the earth. Astronauts get a lot of training before going to space. See, here we are using helping verb are, the verb main form go, travel, move, get. Okay, so this is in simple present. What is the meaning of simple present? Why we are reading this simple present? Because it shows us time. It shows when the work is going on or when the work is happening. Okay, so here in this paragraph, first paragraph 1, this is in present simple present, or we can say present indefinite also. So here we are using, so in simple present we use the main form of the verb, or the main verb form. Okay, so here go is the main verb, and travel also, move also, get also. Next paragraph we are reading. Paragraph 2. Kalpana Chawla was an astronaut. She liked to draw pictures of airplanes from her childhood. She studied in US. She also trained there to be an astronaut. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997. See, the verbs we have used was, liked, studied, trained, flew. So, was is the past form, liked is the past form, studied is the past form, and flew is also, and trained is also a past form. Okay, so this paragraph shows that the work was done, that means completed. In paragraph 1 we see that the work goes on like this. Astronauts, before also astronauts, who are called astronauts, those who travels in space is called astronauts. Now you have a question, what is space? Isn't it? Yes, space is a place out of the world. When we see to the sky, we see many small stars over there, but the vacant space we can see, the journey we have to cross from one planet to another planet, that is space. Okay, so those who goes to travel in space, they are called astronauts. Before also they were called astronauts, and now also they are called astronauts. They go to space in spacecrafts every time, whenever they went, whenever they are going. So this is simple present. Okay, sometimes they travel to the moon. Sometimes they travel to the moon means they goes to the moon. So this paragraph 1 shows us that this is simple present. Simple present means, now we are coming, the simple present form tells us about an action that happens in the present time. See, in yellow box it is written. The simple present form tells us about an action that happens in the present time. The verb takes the base form in simple present, like write, walk, finish, reach. Next, for the third person singular number, third person means about whom we are talking, they are called third person. They are not present here when we are talking. They are called third person. First person means who is speaking, he or she will be the first person. Who is listening, they will call the second person. And about whom we are talking, that means we are talking about the astronauts. The astronauts are not present here, so they are third person. If they are in singular number, then verbs will be writes, we will add s or es with the verbs. Okay, like writes, walks, finishes, reaches. Understood? Next we are going to the simple past. Simple past form tells us about an action that happened in the past. For example, we are going to the paragraph again, that Kalpana Chawla was an astronaut. She liked to draw pictures of airplanes from her childhood. That means Kalpana Chawla, she is no more with us. She was an astronaut. She is no more with us. That's why we are telling was. She liked to draw. That means completed. The work was done. Pictures of airplanes from her childhood. She studied in US. Studied. That means the work of studying is also complete. She also trained there to be an astronaut. The training is also complete. She first flew. The flew word is coming from fly. Fly is the main verb. Then it is coming flew. The first flew on space. That means that was also completed in 1997. Okay. So we are going to the next. Verbs take ed in the past form, like walked, finished, reaches. Many verbs change their spelling in the past form, like drink, drank, write, wrote, send, sent. Some verbs change completely in their past form, go, went, am, was. Some verbs do not change at all in their past form, bet, cut, put. They never change. We will not write cut, cutted. Cut will be cut only. Put will be put only. Okay. Cut, cutted. No. Cut. Put. Understood? Like this, I will give you a chart. You have to learn that chart. Okay. Next, we are going to the passage. Read the passage given below. Underline all the verbs in simple present form and circle all the verbs in simple past form. Rumni lives on a farm. Here which one is the verb? Yes, lives. So live is a verb. Live plus s is there. Live, live plus s. So it is a simple present form. So underline it. Last year she worked very hard and had a rich harvest. Last year, that means it was past. Worked, that means work is completed. Very hard and had a rich harvest. Yeah, had. Had is also past form. So circle it. Worked and had. You will circle only worked, not had. She told some of it. She sold some of it. That means that was also done. Sold. Circle it. Past tense. Simple past. She bought 2 donkeys with the money. See, buy. The past tense of buy, B-U-Y. Buy is bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. So this one is also in simple past. Circle it. The donkeys help her in farm work. See, help. The donkeys help. Help is the verb here and it is in simple present. Some days ago, one of the donkeys fell down and hurt itself. That means some days ago it was happened. Fall became fail over here. So fail, circle it. Okay. And hurt itself, sorry. Hurt is also simple present. No, don't write hurt. Fail. Rumni took it to a vet. See, took. That means it was done. Take, took. T-A-K, take. And after that it is coming took. They went to the town. Went, also go, went. It is also a simple past. Circle it. The vet checked the donkey and cleaned the bandage, the cuts. See, checked and cleaned. Both are in simple past. Bandaged also. Checked, cleaned, bandaged. He gave some medicine and ointment. Gave. That means that work was also done. So it is simple past. Circle it. Rumni walked the donkey. Walked is also simple past. Circle it slowly back home. She felt means circle it, sad for the animal. This morning, Rumni and her donkey look very happy. See, look is in simple present form. The donkey is well again. Is simple present form. Underline it. Rumni plans to buy oats and jaggery for both the donkeys as a treat. So this one, buy. No, plans. Rumni plans to buy. To buy is indefinite. You will learn it afterwards. Plans is the simple present form. So underline it. Okay. Answers I will give you in the next PDF. So leave it. We are going to the next session, that is fill in the blanks. See, I am reading the question for you and you will try to do it. I will say 2 or 3 and then you will try. Gurdeep is a young man. He dash hockey very well. He plays. Hockey is a game. It is played. So he plays hockey very well. He never dash coffee or tea. He never drinks. He drinks. We are adding S because Gurdeep is one person. Third person. We are talking about Gurdeep. Gurdeep is not present here. So he is third person. So he plays. He never drinks. He dash up early in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning. The swimming pool dash at 7 in the morning. The swimming pool opens. The swimming pool opens at 7 in the morning. It dash at 9 in the evening. It closes. Gurdeep dash for 1 hour every morning and evening. Gurdeep swims for 1 hour every morning and evening. He dash his hockey stick and his boats to the ground. He dash his hockey stick. This one you will do. He dash many children to play hockey. Gurdeep always dash boys and girls to be responsible. So this one you will do by yourself. And I will give the answers in PDF next day, not today. Next, rewrite the sentences in simple past using the correct form of verbs. Okay? Jilly missed the bus yesterday. See, Jili missed the bus. We have to rewrite the sentences in simple past. Here also I will do 2 or 3 and rest you will do. Jili missed the bus yesterday. The actual verb is miss, M-I-S-S. And in simple past, we have to write missed, M-I-S-S-E-D, missed. Because yesterday it was completed, isn't it? Imran cleaned his desk last month. So the work was done. Clean is the form of simple present. But we have to write it in simple past. So clean will be, yes, cleaned, C-L-E-A-N-A-D. So we have to write Imran cleaned his desk last month. Understood? We go to the theater last evening. We went to the theater last evening. Nitin eat pancakes last Sunday. Nitin ate pancakes last Sunday. Like this you have to do. And I think you will do by yourself. And here are some more. This activity we will discuss in our online classes or yes. So leave it. Don't do this one. Do up to page number 74 in your book with the pencil. You will not use pen. We will do with the pencil. So I think we have to revise once. So we are going to the first simple present. Our today's chapter is simple present and simple past. Simple present shows us the work which we are doing now or in present time it is happening, which happens in present time, and past, simple past shows us that happened in the past. That means the work was completed. Okay, like yesterday or day before that, last week, last Sunday, last Monday, like this, it was happened. Okay. So this is simple present and simple past. You will do the exercise in the book. And one thing more, remember that you have a session of live session in Zoom Cloud app on Friday on language. And we will discuss this chapter only over there. So go through the chapter once again. And on Friday we will meet. Okay? So till the next class. Goodbye. Have a nice time and prepare for the conversation. Okay?